that's it, everybody. Video 5 wraps up my 71 custom Puma project. Special thanks goes out to my neighbor Corey Toomey. He was the inspiration. He's the guy that called the 8-ball in the corner pocket and said, do this, you will not regret it. He donated this 340. He said, hey, go with the Puma mod hood, which I did. He was just a lot of design inspiration on what I was going to do with this project. Special thanks to Mike Lacklor, who was huge on the rebuild of this Kawasaki. He's always an inspiration for everything Arctic Cat. Thank you, Mike. Thank you so much. Jack Lovis, him and I are neck and neck on his 500 Hertz Lynx project. So many other people. Brad Wilder, who sold me this chassis for $50, and it turned into this thing, which is the nicest sled that I've got in the fleet here. As for the 71 Custom, thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for all your comments. It turned out exactly as I wanted it. When I started the project, this is exactly what I had in mind. And if any of you guys see me at the show and you see a fat guy on a chopped up 71 Puma, this is the one. Thank you. Thanks everybody for your comments, your positive vibes. It's been great. Pitter patter. We'll see you on the next one.